You're tired of dieting, tired of eating less and still gaining weight. What if I told you that the food you've been told to eat may be what's holding you back? Let's talk about low carb, not a fad, not a trend, but a science-backed lifestyle that's helping millions reclaim their bodies, energy, and confidence. So, what is low carb? It's simple. You reduce foods that quickly turn into sugar in your body, and you prioritize real nutrient-rich foods. The result? Your blood sugar stabilizes, your cravings drop, and your body starts burning fat for fuel instead of storing it. Let's break it down. First, what foods do you reduce or eliminate? White bread, pasta, soda, pastries, sugary cereals. These spike your insulin, the fat storage hormone, and create an endless cycle of hunger and fatigue. Now, here's the magic of low carb. Instead of sugar, you fuel yourself with eggs and cheese, leafy greens and colorful veggies, healthy proteins like chicken, beef, and salmon, and good fats like avocado, olive oil, nuts, and seeds. This combo nourishes your body, supports your brain, and gives you lasting energy. And guess what? You're not hungry all the time, because real food satisfies. No more calorie counting, no more guilt, just smart choices that give your body what it really needs. But maybe you're thinking, wait, isn't fat bad for you? Let's set this straight. Science now shows fat isn't the enemy. Refined sugar and processed carbs are. They inflame your body, stress your liver, and make it nearly impossible to burn fat. With low carb, you flip the switch. You shift from sugar burning to fat burning. It's called metabolic flexibility, and it's how your body was meant to function. And the benefits? Weight loss that doesn't come back. Clearer thinking, better sleep, balanced hormones, reduced cravings, more confidence in your clothes. Here's what makes this different. It's not about restriction. It's about reconnection with real food, with your body, with your health. You can start today, one meal at a time, one real ingredient at a time. Begin by removing the obvious sugars. Switch white rice for cauliflower rice. Snack on boiled eggs instead of chips. Choose whole, fresh food whenever possible. And if you want support, we're here for you. Subscribe to Plural Wellness for science-based guidance, recipes, tips, and inspiring content made just for you, the modern woman ready to reclaim her health. This isn't a diet, this is your comeback.